Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Beyond the Sidelines. In today's episode, we will bring to you preview about women's wrestlers who have qualified for the Tokyo Olympics. In women's category, we have four wrestlers who have qualified for the Tokyo Olympics: Vinesh Fogart, Anshu Malik, Sonam Malik, and Seema Bisla. So to start with, first wrestler, we have Vinesh Fogart. Vinesh will be participating in the 53 kg weight category. Her loss at Rio Olympics in 2016 has been a game changer for us. Since then, she has been on a rise and winning various medals at the international level. She has won a bronze medal at 2019 World Championship along with gold at Commonwealth Games and the Asian Games. She has shown the capability to perform under the pressure and fight at all the major events. Based on her recent performances and her hunger to win, Vinesh stands a very good chance to win her maiden medal for India at the Tokyo Olympics. At number 2, we have the Junior World Championship 2018 silver medalist and 2021 Asian gold medalist Anshu Malik. Anshu would be participating in the 57 kg weight category. She has seamlessly performed her success at junior level into the senior level. Her fearless nature, along with her calm mind, will help her to pass through the initial stage of the Tokyo Olympics. The 19-year-old has to give a great performance to win through the quarterfinal stages of the Olympics and get a medal for India. 2 times World Cadet gold medalist Sonam Malik has punched above her weight category to win a silver medal at the Asian qualification tournament and qualify for the Tokyo Olympics. She has been a surprise package where she wasn't even allowed to participate in the qualifiers, looking at her age and a lack of experience at the international stage. She has a good chance of crossing the initial stages of the Olympics, but her lack of experience could cause an early exit for her. But you never know, she might be the dark horse for India and could win a medal for India at the Tokyo Olympics. At number 4, we have Seema Bisla. Seema Bisla would be participating in the 50 kg weight category. Her experience at international level has helped her to cope up with her recent bad form and qualify for the Tokyo Olympics. Her experience could be a key element for her to get through the initial stages, but from quarterfinal onwards, it will be a difficult journey for her to seam through easily and win a medal for India. We can expect one medal from these 4 wrestlers, but it will be great to know if Seema Bisla could turn her experience into a medal-winning performance. The 2 youngsters, Sonam and Anshu Malik, could be a surprise package at this Olympics, but it will be a learning experience for both these young wrestlers, which could help them in the future at the international level. If you like the content, do share, like, and subscribe the BTS channel on YouTube. Stay tuned for more updates and more content relating to the Indian contingent participating in the Tokyo Olympics 2021.